Fox Restaurant, at table 4.
Good afternoon, one only.
Do you have any reservation?
No.
Okay, ma'am. Can I have your name?
Mary J.
Would you prefer smoking area or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
Okay, ma'am. This way. Please. Ma'am, this is table is fine.
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, ma'am. Allow me.
Thank you.
Doctor, ma'am, I am Joshua. I will be your taker order for this day. I present to you our menu. Excuse me, ma'am. I will be back after 5 minutes.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. If you are ready, may I now take your order?
Yes, of course. So, here is my order. One long silo. One fresh mango. One order. And one buttered water. And 4 drinks Coke.
That will be all, ma'am.
Yes.
May I repeat your order now, ma'am?
Yes.
One long silog, one fresh mango, one bottled water, one Coke. Did I get your order right now, ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Your food will deliver after 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I fold the table napkin for you?
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your order. One bottled water, one glass of Coke, one long silog, one fresh mango. Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear your plate?
Yes. Waiter, bill out.
Ma'am, may I present your bill?
Thank you. Here's my payment.
Receive 500 pesos, ma'am.
Thank you. Keep the change.
Thank you for dining. Hope you enjoy. Come again.